Are you also a college student who is just planning to start a passive side income while studying that can pay your own bills and your college fee? Or maybe you can be someone who is currently pursuing any course and wants to take some hands on experience on the industry level. If that's the case, then doing an internship in your industry can be a great help, which will give a greater boost to your resume, and it will help you create a positive impact while you'll be sitting for placements or any job interview. In this video, I'll introduce you with this platform called Internshala, which is very good in terms of getting internships being a college student. I myself used it, and from here I'm able to grab a lot of good internships that boosted my CV and also improved my online presence as well as helped me in my interview processes to showcase my work experience. To use this platform, you can simply go to Google and type internshala.com, or if you want this in an app format, then you can also install its app through Google Play Store or Apple Store. The link to this platform will be in the description of this video. So let me help you get started with it. So this is basically the dashboard of Internshala. You'll not see it. Firstly, you have to sign up and create an account over here. You can use your email or any Google ID to create it. And once you will create the account, you need to enter your basic details. For example, your name, your phone number, your email ID, your skills, your interest. It will then ask you to set up your resume. Internshala automatically creates a resume for you. You just need to enter your details like your qualifications, your interest, your skills, or in case you have any previous experience in anything, your certifications, your projects, you can put anything. And then once you set up all this, you will come to this dashboard. So this is my dashboard. I have already set up everything. Here you can see I have a 5-star rating on Internshala because I'm an old user here. And if I have to show you some proofs, then I have acquired some good number of internships from here. Let me show you that. So here are all my applications where I got hired. As you can see, these are the company names, these are the job profiles. Because I'm into the content writing and digital marketing space, then most of the internships are on this, and these are all the dates you can see. Here you can see my application status to be hired because I got hired in all these companies. Now let's talk about how you can get internships, real, genuine, good paying internships through Internshala. For that, you have to go to the internship section. Once you are here, you can select your location. Like I mostly prefer like work from home internship, so there is an option for that. But in case you want an on-site internship, then there are multiple locations where you can find. You can find internships based on the profiles as well. So like if you are into the marketing domain, you can click here. If you are into computer science, you can click here. There are some top categories of internships where you can go as per your interest. So let's go to work from home first. Firstly, you will fill your profile, like in which domain you are. Let's say content writing. You can fill in multiple profile roles like I am doing here. Once you have filled all these, you can set the location. Like for me, the location I have by default kept is work from home. Otherwise, if I don't want work from home, then I can put any location over here. You can also like part-time or full-time. Internships are basically, a lot of people gives part-time internship, a lot of people give full-time, so that's up to you. By default it will show you full-time internships. Then one of a great feature here is you can decide your minimum monthly stipend. Stipend is like salary. So what do you want in minimum? So let's say we keep it minimum 10,000. If you are a beginner, then I would prefer you to keep it low initially because you don't have much experience on your back to show. And most of the high paying companies prefer experienced individuals. So, in case you are just starting, you can keep it to 2K. Or if you are an experienced person, you have worked previously with other clients as well, then you can put it 10K or anything you want. So, when I set all my preferences over here, you can see there are some internships that I'm able to watch. So if you see, then this is a subject matter expert. Here you will find the company's name, it's the location of work. It's work from home here. The start date, most of the companies here put the start date to be immediately. So in case you are planning to start immediately, you just make sure it's set on immediate. Here you can find the internship duration. So there can be different durations for internships. Few internships can be of 1-2 months, or few can be of more than 6 months as well. Here you can find the stipend. So the stipend will be in this range only. Once you click view details over here, so this is the job application that we have selected. Here you can read about what will be the responsibility of the intern if they get selected. This is the most important part while applying. Just read it very carefully. And in case you think you can align with all these responsibilities and fulfill the expectations of the employer, then it's a good chance for you to apply on this. Here, to be clear, they have shown what skills are required. Like for this role, you need to be good in content writing, your English proficiency should be good, maths, MS Word, and subject matter expert. Apart from that, in case you think that you are lacking in any of these skills, then you can also learn about those skills through Internshala, because Internshala also provide internship trainings for different fields like business communication. You can see here. Now there is the next important section, which is who can apply. So you can read it here. They want like someone who can work from their home. The start date of the internship will be 12th March to 16th March. Okay, the availability should be of 3 months. So in case you get selected, you can work here for 3 months. The contract will be of 3 months basically. And they want the candidate must have all the relevant skills and interests as they mentioned above. So it's very important anytime you apply for anything, any freelancing project, any internship or anything, you have to make sure that you read all the responsibilities and job description correctly, so that later on you don't get any burden or any problem with the employer once you are selected. Okay, so here they have written that there is one additional requirement, that the candidate must have experience in academic content writing, maths specifically. Here you can see the number of openings. So they have 3 openings in their company. So it's a great chance for you to apply. And this is a little detail about the company. If you want to know more about this company, you can go here and just click on the company name. It will take you to the overview of the company, like since when they are hiring and how much is their employee count, how many job opportunities they have posted, what is their location, what is their industry. Okay, and about the company, like what they do, where they do. Once you got the overview, you can also scroll down and see the salaries and perks. So as they have only one opening, which we just explored a while ago, so the salary range is the same. And what perks and benefits do you get in this company is like a certificate, which is very important for your future interviews and applications, because these certificates create a better impression of yours on any future employee that you will be giving interview or you will be approaching for any kind of job. Recommendation letter is also very good thing that you can show to your future employers. Then the 5 days a week work culture is there in this company. Okay, so till now we have explored the whole job application. What are the responsibilities of the intern, what are the skills required, what is the salary, how is the company, and what is their work culture. In case you are interested in any of the internship, like suppose I'm interested in this, you just scroll down and click on apply now. The application process is very simple. So once you clicked on apply now, it will take you to your resume page that the employer will see. This is the same resume that you created while setting up your account on Internshala. In case you want to make any edits to your resume, you can also edit from here. So since we don't need to make any edit, we'll just scroll. At the bottom, you will see proceed to application. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, it brought us to a new page. In this step, the employer has arranged a few questions that will help him understand about you more. So, for example, the first question is, why should you be hired for this role? Here you have to write about your strengths and why you are a good choice for them. If you want to see some tips like how to answer this question, Internshala has provided you that. So you need to highlight your strengths, you need to show enthusiasm that you are very excited to work in their company, and please do not copy the answers from the internet, because if you will do that, Internshala will catch it firstly and they'll ban your account. If they didn't catch it, maybe the employer can catch you, and that will be a very embarrassing moment for you, and the chances of you getting selected will be negligible after that. So I would prefer you to write it on your own. You can start by introducing yourself and telling about your past experience. And in case you are a beginner, then you can simply write about your skills, your strength, and why you are a good fit for this role. So I have pasted my own cover letter here. Now if you'll scroll down, then you can see that the employer wants to know your availability, like can you join them immediately, or are you currently on a notice period somewhere, like are you serving in any other company or what. So you can just click on any of these options as per you. And now the third thing is a custom resume. A lot of time it happens that the employer wants to see your custom resume, not the usual Internshala template. Then you can simply upload it from here. Okay, once you upload it, you should click on submit. And now you can see the application has been submitted, and till the time they will review your applications, you can apply on other internships as well. A lot of people ask me that should I apply on only one internship, or will it be fine if I apply in multiple? To answer this, I would say you should apply in multiple internships altogether, because a lot of time you will see that the employer will not respond to you because they have so many applications. As you have seen, the openings in this company are just 3 and the applications till now are 72, so they have to go through 72 different applications including yours. A lot of times the employer don't have that much time to go through all the application, and in case they find any good candidate, they don't bother to check the other applications. So I would prefer you to just keep applying for internships where you think you can serve properly, you can fulfill all the job responsibilities that are mentioned over there, and you think that the culture of the company matches with you. So since the application is already submitted, here you can see some similar internships with a similar kind of stipend and the similar kind of work. Like we submitted the application for subject matter expert, so most of the internships we can see here is of subject matter expert. Okay, in case you want to go to internship search, just click on here. Now again it took you to the first page. Like you can see there are some new internships like content writing. It's of 2 months, it's of 30,000. As you can see, there are so many internships that are getting posted on this platform every hour, every day. So there are like tons of opportunities for you where you can apply and grab a good internship. Once you get hired, you will receive a certificate from Internshala as well. And in case the company gives the certificate perk, then you will receive another certificate from that company as well. So in case you want to build a very solid resume and a very good profile for your future job, then I would prefer you to do a lot of internships throughout your college and gain more experience. The more experience you will get, the better will be the chances in future to you get selected in any company. And most of you think that I applied in 5 to 10 internships, I didn't got any reply, so the platform is fake or something. No, it's not like that. You have to keep applying and keep trying. For example, at the start of the video I have shown you that I have got hired in these many internships. Let me go to that page again. So this is that page. Okay, there is a new entry over here because we just applied to this internship. As you can see, earlier I got hired in these many companies, but the thing you can't see here is these are only the hired ones. To get hired in these, I have applied in hundreds of companies. If I scroll down and click on view old applications, then here you can see all my applications where I didn't got selected due to any number of reasons. So if you see, there are like 30 pages like this, and each page has like 10 entries almost. So I have applied in almost 300 internships, then I got selected in 10 to 12. So I would just advise you to keep applying in all those internships where you think you can fit properly and you can fulfill all the responsibilities. And in case you want to check your application status, you can simply click on your profile and just go to my applications. So this is your application page. Here you can see your status of application. So once the employer will visit your profile, will watch it, then the status here will come under review, and if you will be hired, then the status will turn green into hired. And a lot of times the employers read your application, they contact you. So they will contact you through Internshala chats. If you want to see where it comes, then here you can click. So here is the chat interface. You can't directly message any company as you want. The company should firstly message you. Like if I show you, these are my old chats with other companies where they asked more about me and gave me some sample or some test rounds. If I show you this chat, then as you can see, the company has approached me firstly, then I answered them. A lot of companies just approach you, they'll show interest in knowing more about you, and they might ask you to give a test or an interview. The interview can be a telephonic interview, or it might be an assignment that should be submitted by you. So in case like I am in content writing, so a lot of times when I apply for any internship, then they ask me, can you give us a sample blog on any of these topics? And if they like it, then they proceed ahead. A lot of companies just immediately hire once you clear the test. A lot of companies put an interview like a telephonic interview, or some companies ask you for 2 3 rounds. Like first can be the assessment or the test that you have to submit. In case that got approved, they might ask you to like do a telephonic interview. So they'll exchange your number, they'll call you, or the number will be on your resume as well. So they'll simply call you, they'll ask you about yourself, they'll ask you about a lot of things, a lot of questions related to the position. So make sure when you apply in any company, just explore about that company, like what they do, what is their position in the market. So it will help you be more confident in front of them while giving any interview. So in case you qualified the second round of telephonic interview, then they might immediately hire you. Or some companies also put up a video interview round where they share a Google Meets or a Zoom link with you, and they interview you through a video call. So you have to be present there. And in case you are not interested, like suppose you have applied for any internship and now you are not interested, just simply tell them that I am not interested in the internship anymore. For example, here I like applied for this internship, but till the time I got their reply, I got selected in another one. So I just simply messaged them that I already got selected, so sorry, I can't proceed with it ahead. And that's a very professional way of talking. You shouldn't leave any employer unanswered. Okay, in case they have shown interest in your application, they have asked you something, if you are willing to take the step back, then you can simply tell them. But just don't avoid replying to them or answering them on the chats or on the call, because Internshala observes this as well, and then they give you a rating based on your profile. For example, if I go to my profile, then I have received a rating of 5 on 5. That's because I have been very professional on this platform for 2 years. I have applied in a lot of internships. A lot of people have replied me back. A lot of companies have approached me. A lot of time it happened that the test I gave didn't got qualified. So that's okay. You can simply say thank you and go ahead. A lot of times it happened that I got rejected in the final round. So there is nothing to worry about that. It happens. You can instead ask them the problem areas you have and you can work on them. And in case you think that there is some level of skill where you should be more proficient, then Internshala also offer their internship training courses. Like here you can see, and you can select any course you want. Suppose I want to master digital marketing, then I'll go to digital marketing. So here you can see they have a full-fledged course on digital marketing, and it has a very good rating. The language options are available here, the number of students who have already enrolled in. And with every course, Internshala offers you a placement assistance. So let's say you took any course and you completed that course with a good score, then they'll show your profile to multiple companies and will help you get hired. And here you can see the number of days or weeks that will take you to complete this course. You can simply apply and proceed ahead. So coming back to internships, I hope the whole process is clear to you. You can apply on the internships very easily. As I have shown you, the process of applying is very simple. A lot of times, a lot of companies ask some more questions. They might ask you that have you worked previously, or are you a college student, so how you will manage time. So you need to be ready for these kind of answers. So that's it for this video. I hope it got clear to you. And trust me when I say this, that Internshala has been one of my most favorite platform to get internships while I was in college. So it's a great place to start from. I hope you understood everything. In case you are facing any problem in the account creation, in the setting up of account, or in the application process, just do let me know in the comment section below. And in case you're interested in more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel where we share about interesting platforms like this and some more valuable videos like this which can help you in making money online without getting scammed by anyone. So till then, bye bye.